In a coffee shop, when you approach the counter, the barista normally says something like, "Hey, what can I get for you?" What do you think you should say? If you give me some suggestions in English, and I will correct them. I'd like to drink a cup of coffee. Anio. It's not wrong, but it just sounds a little bit strange. So, not that one. Can I have a cup of cappuccino? This sounds a little bit strange as well. So, not this one. 기다려주세요. Now. What you should say is something like, "Can I have a cappuccino, please?" It's a lot more natural to just say, "Yeah, can I have a cappuccino, please?" 근데 if you say that, the barista will say something like this. What size would you like? Or maybe, what size is that? What size is that? So, do you want to try answering? Tall size, please. Okay. Again, that's not incorrect. But we wouldn't say size. So that's correct. You can say tall, please. That's fine. Although you should know that tall is only related to one specific coffee shop. And I won't name them, but I'm sure you know who they are. So usually, most other places, you can say something like small. 네, 맞아요. Small. Or medium. Medium. Or large. So you would say, "Yeah, can I have a cappuccino, please?" And they would say, "What size would you like?" or "What size is that?" And you'd say, "Large, please," or "Small, please." 알았어요? Is it clear? Does it make sense? 좋아요.